Well, CoastLife, we still have Wanda Guyton with Coffee Rendezvous filling in for Paige while she's off enjoying her honeymoon for a couple more days before she'll be back. But we're just hoping she enjoys every minute of it. Meanwhile, we're enjoying every minute of hanging out with Wanda. But we do know that when there's fire-related trouble and those fires to fight, the Lewes Fire Department is on top of it. But if you've ever wondered a little bit more of what goes on behind the scenes, all that work that goes into keeping our community safe, well, then you're in luck, because we've got Robbie Stevens joining us on the CoastLife couch today. He is a firefighter with the Lewes Fire Department, and you guys have an open house coming up.
Yes, we do. We do. It's our actually 5th annual. So.
Wow. So tell us a little bit about this event and what attendees can expect.
Well, it's an awesome event for the public, just for the simple fact that we always have fire prevention in October. Yeah. They get to come to the firehouse, or the elementary school kids get to come to the firehouse, but their parents, the older kids, everybody else doesn't. So we like to open our doors just to make sure that everybody gets to see, especially because we're funded by the taxpayers, what we do.
Yeah.
I mean, you don't really get to go into a firehouse and see, hey, what's going on inside there. Yes. So we open our doors up. We have all kinds of events. We're going to be doing a vehicle extrication demo where we're going to be cutting cars open. Ooh. Yeah, that's pretty cool. We're going to be maybe lighting a house on fire right now. There's a burn ban going on. But we have a little dollhouse that we set up, and we bring a fire truck in and pretty much show them what we do when a house is on fire and explain fire safety during the whole entire presentation as well. And then they get to see fire, smoke, and get to see us douse a house on fire. LPD, so Lewes Police Department's going to be there. We work hand in hand with them all the time, them and DENREC. So we invited them out, DENREC, the Sussex County paramedics, and they're going to have little demos going around as well. There's going to be a passport. When you first get there, you're going to have to go to the greeting table. Okay. And that greeting table is going to give you a passport. That passport's going to have every event, a little map of the events on it. And when you go and you talk to one of the event, like put fire gear on. You get to put fire gear on. Once you do that event, you get a little stamp on the passport. Once you get all the passport stamps, then you get a little prize at the end. Ooh. So it's pretty cool. So that way you get to actually see the whole entire firehouse and get to walk around. Something
fun, a little incentive to do so.
Will there be candy?
I think the auxiliary actually has candy. They had it last year. I know I snuck some myself last year.
And then, you know, Wanda's a candy girl. Learned that today.
I can tell you, every single time I see a kid or anybody else come to the firehouse, it's like the happiest day of their life. And I'm like, this is amazing. Come see what we do. Please come see what we do.
Absolutely. And for folks that maybe do come to the open house, they fall in love with what you do and they want some more information about how they can get involved with the Lewes Fire Department, how can they do that?
Absolutely. So we're going to have a member floating around. They're going to have a sign-up sheet. If you want more information on it, all you're going to have to do is just name an email and we can shoot out knowledge to you for whatever you need. Always accepting fire applications. I mean, it is a volunteer fire organization. We're always accepting new members. Auxiliary, administration, there's all kinds of places. You don't have to be a firefighter to join the fire department. That's the biggest thing.
Yeah, I don't think a lot of people don't know that.
Yeah, absolutely. Everybody's just like, oh, I have to get on a fire truck and go on a fire. That's scary. It's like, no, hold up.
There's a role for you.
There is a role for everybody in the fire service. Yes, we want firefighters. Yes, we need them, because right now we are hurting on the fire service end. We just don't have enough. Sure. But at the same time, it's just, hey, whatever you can do to help us out, please.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, Robbie, thank you so much for coming in and
I appreciate it.
Getting us excited for the open house. One more time, the time and date and the place.
It's going to be tomorrow, the 17th, and it's going to be Lewes Fire Department Station 2. It's right next to the Nassau Bridge, that station right there. And then the parking is going to be at the Senior Center at the end of Janus Road. And there'll be shuttles going back and forth the whole entire time to drop people off. So and it's 4 to 8 p.m.
4 to 8 p.m. All right, so we got your tomorrow evening plans covered, and maybe you'll be inspired to help out with the Lewes Fire Department. We hope you are, and we hope you have a great time. But coming up on CoastLife, we're introducing you to the unique effects of equine therapy and how that helps certain members of our community when CoastLife comes back.